Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor, and in today's YouTube video, I am going to teach you how to properly clean a home, meaning the exact steps in which you should clean. As you can see, this house has a main first floor, that's the front door. I gave you a peek at the basement, and here is the second floor where we're actually going to start cleaning. Now, I will be providing checklists for you guys. There's going to be a link in the description so you know what to clean in each and every room. But this video is mainly going to show you how I would tackle this home. So on the second floor, we're going to start in this kids' room, and we're going to clean from top to bottom, left to right, doing the high dusting, the windows, wiping surfaces, making the beds, changing the trash, and of course cleaning the floors and closing that door. The reason why we close the door is because nobody is going to go back into any of these rooms and mess up anything that we cleaned. We are really big on cleaning section by section. So after we clean this next bedroom, we're going to go ahead and close that door, and we're going to know that it's finished. This is going to be the third bedroom on the second floor. Again, top to bottom, left to right, and we are going to go off of the checklist again that I will be providing for you in the description. Now we're going to finish the second floor off by cleaning the bathroom. Okay, we're going to deep clean this bathroom, and then what we're going to do, of course, is close the door, you guys, because I don't want anybody going into our cleaned rooms. Okay, once you close the door, that means we're not going to clean this again because it's done. So if you go in there and you make a mess, the job has been completed. Now we're going to clean that hallway at the top, and we are actually going to clean our way down the steps, vacuuming and mopping. Right here, I'm just showing you how the first main floor is laid out. So here she has a dining room, she has a family room or living room, however you'd like to call it. And then she has this kitchen in the back, okay, toward the front door. Now, the next floor that I would have my team clean, or I would clean on my own, is going to be the basement, okay? I like to clean the top floor first, or the basement, and then the main floor. Of course, you can clean the basement first, and then the second floor, and then the main floor, and work your way out. But I really wanted to get this basement done because I know that the kids are going to be coming home from school and hanging out on that second floor where you saw their bedrooms, or the basement, because this is where they hang out. Now I'm just showing you guys again kind of like how I would clean the basement, top to bottom, left to right, and then we would come up here to the actual main floor of the home to finish all of the cleaning. We would actually tackle this kitchen first because it's the farthest away from the front door, you guys. That's where we enter. So we always want to clean our way out of the home. That is the whole point of why I'm showing you room by room right now. It's because we want to clean our way out of the home. Again, we're going to clean, top to bottom, left to right. We're going to do the floors. And don't worry, you guys, I have the checklist for you guys in the description of this video. All you have to do is fill out the link and you will have this downloaded, what is included in a deep cleaning. So that's the type of cleaning we're going to do in this home, and it's a deep cleaning because we come once a month and we want to make sure to leave this house spick and span for this family. Again, after the kitchen, we would do this family room, top to bottom, left to right. And then the very last room in the house that we're going to be cleaning is this front dining room area, which we're going to start in this corner because it is the farthest one from the front door, you guys. Again, the high dusting, the fan, the windows, wiping all surfaces, taking out any trash, all the good stuff, you guys. And then we're just going to leave out of this front door. We're literally going to vacuum and mop our way out, and then we're going to be done. Here I'm showing you the finished product.
A few moments later.
So this was the first kids' room, and this looks phenomenal. Okay, look at me with my shoe covers. I'm a pro. Closing that door off to the main room. This looks fantastic, you guys. Compared to that before, I just know that this homeowner is going to be super duper happy. And again, closing this door. Next up is the next bedroom, which again looks really, really good, you guys. I'm going to give you the checklist, but in every room, we typically do clean all of the same items. Just look underneath that bed. I was really proud of myself with this one kid's room in particular. Now here is the main bathroom on the second floor, and it is sparkling, it's gleaming, it's giving spotless cleaning was here. We're gonna go ahead and close that door. And this is what the hallway looks like. Again, we made sure to do the baseboards. We vacuumed and mopped the floors. We did the interior windows. I do use the HEPPA vacuums from Pro Team. I'll put a link for you guys. I love them. And look at this basement, you guys. So in the basement, I pretty much just like wiped the surfaces of the washer and the dryer. I changed the garbage. I did a little bit of, just organizing very lightly, cleaning all the surfaces, vacuuming, mopping, and of course, deep cleaning this full bathroom that they have in the basement, which is actually not that difficult to clean because only one of the family members uses this bathroom. So the basement is actually not that hard for us to clean, but we do like to get it out of the way because in case the kids come home from school. Now, here is the kitchen. The front of the cabinets are clean, the backsplash, the inside of the microwave, the stovetop, the countertops. We move everything. We scrub everything. We do all of the glass. We get all of the smudges off of the doors, and we spot wipe the outside of the refrigerator. And look at that floor, you guys. It looks so clean. This is that one living room that I was showing you guys. We organized, the pillow covers, the couch covers. We vacuumed, we mopped. We did the Spotless checklist that we're going to be sharing with you. I really hope you guys found this video educational and informational, and this really helps you tackle your very first house cleaning. Be sure to hit subscribe.